Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is certified pre-owned. Under the hood's a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower. This one comes with 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, black MB-Tex interior, panorama roof. Tires are in good condition. Come around back here, got a power liftgate, fresh set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one does have their premium one package, which comes with keyless go, blind spot assist, memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system, power windows. Hopping in here, this one also has the multimedia package, which comes with smartphone integration for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Pedal shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start the vehicle up here. Backup camera, navigation, hard keys, heated seats, dual climate controls. This vehicle has 31,305 miles and has all Carfax and service histories available online. If you'd like to view more photos, check out feldmanimports.com.